Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link a contact to a deal in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. Keeping the right people connected to the right deals helps you maintain a clean pipeline and ensures your communication stays organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to assign a main contact or add additional participants to any deal. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and navigate to your pipeline. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Deals. This will take you to your pipeline or list view, where all your active deals are displayed. Next, find the deal you want to update and click on it. This opens the deal's detail page, where you can view key information such as deal value, stage, activities, and associated contacts. At the top of the deal page, locate the Person field. This represents the main contact currently linked to the deal. Hover over this section and you'll see a small edit icon appear. Click on it to enter editing mode. From here, you have two options depending on what you want to do. If you need to replace the main contact, you can remove the current person and select a new one. This is useful if the primary point of contact has changed or if someone else is now responsible for the deal. If instead you want to keep the current contact and add more people, click on the Add Participants option. This allows you to include multiple contacts in the same deal, which is especially helpful when working with teams or multiple decision makers. Now, start typing the name of the contact you want to add. If they already exist in your Pipedrive contacts, they will appear in the suggestions. Simply select the correct person from the list. Once selected, click Link to confirm your changes. The contact will now be connected to the deal, either as the main person or as a participant, depending on your choice. Take a moment to review the update. You should see the new contact listed in the appropriate section. This ensures your team clearly knows who is involved and can track communication like emails, calls, and notes accurately. If you don't see the contact you're looking for, it likely means they haven't been added to your contact list yet. In that case, add them first, then repeat the process. And that's it. You've successfully linked a contact to a deal in Pipedrive, helping you keep your CRM organized and your sales process clear. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more Pipedrive tutorials, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. I'll see you in the next video.